Hello everyone, we're going to try something new today. We're looking at statistics. Now, we've done a little bit of statistics before. Some of this is recapping things you would have done in year 4, but the previous lockdown got in the way of. And also, I've tried to change the order around to make it easier for you to learn at home. So if you're thinking, this doesn't seem like the stuff we're doing previously, it's because we're going to cover the same stuff, but in a slightly different order. And we're leaving some of the trickier things for hopefully when we're back in school. So without any further ado, let's look at this. We've got a table here. What do you think is being presented here? Well, we've got about the different types of food children bring in for a party, but also it's showing us how many types of those food were brought in. So these are what we call variables, and there's two variables here, the types of food and the number of pupils. Together, these variables tell us how many of each type of food the pupils have brought in, and that can be represented in the bar chart here. But if we do this, we need to add labels to the x-axis, the horizontal axis down here, and the y, the vertical axis, that goes up here, like this. Now, I'd like you to use the table and the bar chart to complete the following statements. Pause the video, try this, and then we'll go through it together. Now, if you unpause it, you should be able to see if what you've got is right. Most pupils here brought, let me just get my black ink here. Here we go. Most pupils brought crisps. Excuse my bad writing here, because there's 24 crisps there. The number of pupils bringing sandwiches was 8 out of how many pupils? Sorry, this one seems confusing. How many brought them all together? 18 plus 12 is 30, plus 9 plus 11 is 50, plus another 32. That'd be out of 72, wouldn't it? Twice as many pupils brought what? Twice as many pupils brought sausage rolls as many pizzas. Ooh, terrible writing, excuse me. As pizzas, I'm not going to write the mini because I find it very difficult to write here with my computer. 13 fewer pupils brought something and something else. Oh, what I would do is actually see if is there something where there's 13 more of something. There is butterfly cakes and crisps. So the fewer pupils brought butterfly cakes. I'm just going to write the cakes here. Making me hungry, this. Then crisps. And why do you think the sandwiches were the least popular food? Well, up to you. You might just say that they're not sweet like some of the other things. You could say they're not the easiest thing to share. Those are two good answers. Anything really. That's more a question of common sense rather than the number side of maths we might look at. So now, that I've done that one, it's going to be your turn. I want you to look at this table and see if you can figure out how many 20p's and 50p's they had. Let's do one all together. We say Ahmed saved 12 20p coins, so that's £2.40. He saved 13 50p coins, that's going to be £6.50. And then what would be the total amount that he saved? Try this for Ahmed, Jasper and Clive using the numbers. For Amy, you're going to need to come up with your own set of numbers that it could be. So pause the video and give that one a go. And now if you've done it, have a look at this, and what I'd like you to do is make this bar chart, and using your data for Amy, I'd like you to make something that matches the bar chart as well. Give that a try, and don't forget to send me your work on the email as usual. Good luck!